Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for the Airbnb account step by step. First, go ahead and go to the App Store or your Play Store. Then search for the Airbnb, and you can also visit the official website using your browser. Then install it. Once installed, open the app and tap on the sign up or login option, and then you can create an account using your email address, phone number, or continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. Let's continue with Apple. Then go ahead and enter your personal details such as your name, your email, and your date of birth, and then enter your email. Once you're done entering your email, create a strong password. Make sure all the information is correct. After that, verify your email or phone number by entering the code sent to you. Once the verification is complete, your account will be created and ready to use. That's how you sign up for the Airbnb account. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.